Venns and Sets Quiz 2. When I've finished reading these instructions, pause the video and get yourselves set up ready to take the quiz. There are no calculators allowed with this quiz, so put them away. You will only need a pen or a pencil to take the quiz. Hand out the answer sheets after you've paused the video. Students will need one sheet each. When you get your sheet, write your name at the top of it. The quiz must be taken in silence. Do not communicate with other students and stay in silence until your teacher tells you can talk. You will get 1 minute per question, and there are 4 questions in the quiz. After the quiz, your teacher will collect in your answer sheet, and then you will be given the answers and also some feedback so you can learn from it. Pause the video now, get the class set up, ready to take the quiz, and when you're silent, press play to start. Question 1. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets A and B. List all the elements of A intersection B between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Question 2. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets A, B, and C. List all the elements of A union C between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Question 3. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets A, B, and C. List all the elements of A union B intersection C between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Question 4. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets A, B, C and D. List all the elements of B intersection D union A between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Now think about this question. If you took a test like this one on this topic in 30 days' time, how many questions out of 4 do you think you would get correct? Write 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 in the box at the bottom left-hand side of your answer sheet. Students, please remain in silence until all the answer sheets are collected in. Teachers, as you collect in the answer sheets, can you please check that every student has written their name on the top? Also, can you please check that every student has written a single number 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 in the prediction box at the bottom of the page. Pause the video now, collect in the answer sheets, then press play to give students the answers and feedback. Okay, now let's have a look at the answers to the 4 questions so you can see how you did and also so you can learn from your mistakes and do even better next time. Question 1, feedback. This question asked for the elements in A intersection B. That is all the elements that are in both sets, as shown by the shaded region on this diagram. That was elements K and Z. Question 2, feedback. This question asked for all the elements in A union C. That means all the elements that are in sets A and C combined, as shown by the shaded area in this diagram. That was elements D, F, N, U and Y. Question 3, feedback. This question asked for all the elements in A union B intersection C. This means all of the elements that are in both sets A or B and also in set C. That's shown by the shaded region in this diagram and was the elements F, K and M. Question 4, feedback. This asked for all the elements in B intersection D union A. This is all the elements that are in both sets B and D, or those that are in set A. This is shown by the shaded region in the diagram and was elements A, H, J, N, O and W.